Balance the given redox reaction. It's given, it is in the acidic medium. So let us split this into two half reactions. The first one is Cr2O72 minus giving Cr3 plus, and the other one HNO2 giving NO3 minus. Now let us take this first half reaction. We will look at the atoms other than oxygen or hydrogen. We can see chromium atom. There are two chromium atoms on the left hand side. There is only one on the right hand side. So let us put a 2 here. So chromium atoms are balanced now. There are 7 oxygen atoms on the left hand side, but there aren't any on the right hand side. So what do we do to balance oxygen atoms? We will add water molecules. One water molecule has one oxygen atom. So we will add 7 water molecules. So 7 H2O. Now oxygens and chromiums are balanced, but we have added 7 into 2, 14 hydrogen atoms on the right hand side. So what can we do here? We will add 14 H plus ions on the left hand side. Now atoms are balanced. We will look at the charges. On the left hand side, 14 H plus, that means plus 14. I hope it is clear. Plus 14 and 2 minus 2. So the resultant charge is plus 12. So there is a charge of plus 12 on the left hand side, whereas on the right hand side there is a 3 plus here into 2. So 6 plus or plus 6 on the right hand side. So we need to make this side also balanced. That is, this side also equal to plus 6. What can we do here? We have a plus 12 here. So by adding 6 electrons, we can make this side also plus 6. Now charges are also balanced. I'll just rewrite it again. 6E minus plus 14H plus Cr2O72 minus giving 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. That is balanced. That is one part of the equation. Now we will go for the HNO2 part. HNO2 giving NO3 minus. Let us look at the atoms other than oxygen or hydrogen. We can see nitrogen. Both sides there is one nitrogen each. So that is balanced. But 3 oxygen atoms on the right hand side and only 2 on the left hand side. So let us add one water molecule, that is H2O. Now let us count the number of hydrogen atoms. 2 plus 1, 3 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have to add 3 H plus ions. Okay, now atoms are all balanced. Any charge on the left hand side? No, there is no charge on the left hand side. Here we have 1 minus and 3 plus. So minus and plus 3. That will be a resultant charge of plus 2. So in order to balance that, we can add 2 electrons on this side. So we have 2 electrons here and 6 electrons in our first half of the equation. So in order to make them both the same, we can or we should multiply this equation by 3. Okay, now we will multiply it and write it below this. We have to add the equations together. So 3 into H2O, that will be 3 H2O plus 3 into HNO2, 3 HNO2, giving 3 NO3 minus plus 3 into 3, 9H plus 3 into 2, 6 E minus. Now let us add these two together. We can cancel out some. So 6E minus on the right hand side and 6E minus on the left hand side. Then we have 14H plus on the left hand side and 9H plus on the right hand side. So 14 minus 9 will give us 5H plus on the left hand side. Here we have 3H2O and here 7H2O. So this 3 can go and 7 minus 3, it's 4H2O. Now let us take down or rewrite the whole equation. We will write Cr2O72 minus plus 3HNO2. Now what else? Plus 5H plus. 5H plus giving 2 Cr3 plus 3 NO3 minus plus 4 H2O. Now this is the balanced redox reaction equation.